Hi, in this video, we're going to learn about the value of I in for loops and how we can use it to control our programs. It's been a while since we learned about for loops, so let's review what a for loop is used for. A for loop allows us to repeat code a certain number of times. We've seen this code many times before. This loop tells Tracy to draw a square with sides of length 50. So what is actually happening when we run this loop? Well, the letter I is a variable in our code. I is starting at 0 and increasing by 1 every time the loop repeats until it hits a value of 4 and ends our loop. So I starts at 0, then the code indented below runs. Then our loop goes back to the top and I increases by 1, so I is now equal to 1. Then our code below runs again. Our loop goes back to the top and I increases by 1, so I is now equal to 2. Then our code below runs again. Our loop goes back to the top and I increases by 1 again, so it is now equal to 3. Then our code below runs. Our loop then goes back to the top and increases by 1, so I is now equal to 4. 4 was the value we told our loop to stop at, so the loop is completed and the program runs the code after the loop. In this lesson, we learned how to use the value of I in our for loops to control our code.